Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Bedrock Edition, the only way Pillars of Fortune map loaded, and a spare save. Once done, enable cheats and experimental gameplay so map mechanics work. This unlocks commands and features that the map relies on. Next, choose a creative or adventure slot depending on challenge. Pick adventure for intended rules. Finally, position your spawn nearby and note initial resources. This lets you act immediately when the timer or first puzzle appears. Now you tackle the central loop. Identify each pillar's type, color, and activation pattern because the puzzle enforces order. As you proceed, rotate and align blocks to complete rune sequences. Precision matters. One misaligned piece breaks the chain. Make sure to conserve limited tools and redistribute inventory to teammates if multiplayer. Use quick checkpoints and test small changes before committing. This reduces backtracking. Keep an eye on timers and signal markers to coordinate multi-step activations. For the final push, trigger the final pillar sequence in the exact order you documented. Pace yourself and confirm each activation lights correctly. After completion, immediately collect rewards, save, and back up the world to preserve progress. If something goes wrong, like a pillar not activating or a block glitch, try reloading the last save, reset the offending pillar, or toggle experimental features off and back on to force a state refresh. If that fails, rebuild the affected section from your backup and replay only.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.